I always tell people, look, the reason you buy insurance is not because you're afraid you're going to get sued. The reason you buy insurance is because you're afraid you're going to get hurt by somebody who doesn't have insurance. It's important to point out that usually you see underinsured or uninsured motorist cases in 4 situations. The obvious one is somebody hits you and they don't have insurance and they tell you I don't have insurance. You also see under or uninsured cases where the person who hits you doesn't have enough insurance, meaning the insurance company calls you and says, look, this is all we have. It's not enough to compensate you, but we want you to settle the case for everything we've got. In that situation, your insurance company will step into the shoes of the person that hurt you and compensate you for the full amount of your damages up to your policy limits. You also see uninsured cases where a phantom vehicle has caused an accident, meaning the person swerves to miss something and they push you off the road. In the last situation that you see uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage come into play is the obvious hit and run accident, which I'm seeing more and more of those every year too. Underinsured or uninsured motorist coverage is coverage that you paid for. It's a benefit that you bought. I hear from a lot of people, I don't want to make a claim to my insurance company. I'm afraid they'll raise my rates. Well, number one, they can't raise your rates just because you made a claim against them. That's against the law. Number two, you paid money for it. It's a benefit that you bought. And what your insurance company said to you is, look, you pay a certain amount of money each month or every 6 months, and if you get hurt by a person who doesn't have insurance or doesn't have enough insurance, we're going to step into their shoes. We're going to compensate you for your medical bills, your wage loss, your pain and suffering, interference with your normal and usual activities, all up to an amount that can be no more than your policy limits, but it is what that person owes you.